Namaskar friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of space technology news is Terra drone established Terra Defence Europe in Estonia as base for European defence unmanned aircraft business. Terra Drone Corporation has established Terra Defence Europe in Estonia as a base for its defence business in Europe. The Japanese drone and urban air mobility technology company said the new entity will support its work in defence unmanned aircraft and related systems. Terra Defence Europe will be responsible for sales, maintenance, logistics management, and local partner coordination for defence applications. Terra Drone said it will use the company to advance business development, supply, maintenance, and operational support capabilities within Europe. The new company will support defence unmanned assets including the Terra A1, Terra A2, and Terra C1 interceptor drones. These systems are being developed in collaboration with Ukrainian companies. Terra Drone announced its entry into the defense equipment market in March 2026. Since then it has been expanding its product portfolio and building its business foundation in the counter-drone defense domain, centered on Terra A1 and the fixed-wing Terra A2. The company said Europe is strengthening defense capabilities and expanding its regional defense industrial base in response to changes in the security environment. It cited the European Union's SAFE initiative, which has established a lending facility of up to 150 billion euros to support joint procurement and defense industrial production capacity. Terra Drone also referred to the EDIP initiative, which is being advanced to expand production capacity and ensure stable supply in the defense sector. The company said collaboration with Europe's industrial base and local partners is becoming increasingly important under these frameworks. Terra Drone said international expansion of defense unmanned aircraft and related systems requires an operational structure that reflects regulatory frameworks and security requirements in each country and region. It added that the transfer of advanced defense equipment is subject to review and coordination under export control regimes, which can sometimes delay actual operation. Against this background, Terra Drone said it determined that a European business base was needed in addition to direct supply from Japan. The company said such a base would be closer to areas of demand and able to handle business development, supply, maintenance, operational support and logistics management. Terra Drone described Estonia as geographically and strategically well-positioned for defense and technology collaboration in Europe. The company said it views Estonia as a key base for its European defense business and will develop its defense operations across Europe and in other countries and regions. Terra Defence Europe is intended to provide a platform for participation in European defence programs and joint procurement. Terra Defence EU said a locally rooted business structure and close collaboration with regional companies and relevant institutions are becoming increasingly important for future business opportunities. The company said Terra Defence Europe will support business development, local partner engagement and customer support in the European defence market. Terra Drone said this will strengthen its ability to take part in defense-related programs and joint procurement opportunities in Europe. The new entity is also intended to strengthen Terra Drone's revenue base through after-sales maintenance and operational support. The company said continued customer support capabilities are critical in defense unmanned aircraft systems, including post-deployment maintenance, operational support, and logistics management. Terra Drone is also building its defense unmanned aircraft systems business through collaboration with Ukrainian defense technology companies. Terra Defence Europe will serve as a base to expand those partnerships across Europe by combining Ukrainian development capabilities and local business foundations with Terra Drone's global network. The company said the establishment of Terra Defence Europe is part of its wider plan to grow its defense business from Europe. It presents Estonia as a strategic starting point for expanding support, supply and partnership activities in the European defense unmanned systems market. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.